Hello everyone. So today I'm about to make cassava leaf with peanuts. So those are the ingredients I'm using today only. I don't want to put any you guys, sorry the music. So as I said, this I'm not a copy, I'm not the owner of this music. I really like her music, that's why I'm playing it as my background music. So yeah, so as I said, I'm going to cook cassava leaf and peanuts, and that's all I have here today. I'm not gonna add any meat and everything. I like it plain. So to do that, I have my cassava leaf here. I have my peanuts paste here. I have my onions and my palm nut oil. Yeah, so that's it. Right now the oil is boiling. I'm gonna blend this onion with Maggi cube. If you don't have Maggi cube, you can blend it with salt and then add it together. So if you want to see, just keep on watching. Thank you guys. So I had to stop the music. So now this is onions with the bouillon cube. So as I said, with people not having a bouillon cube, or if you don't want to eat with bouillon cube, Maggi cube, just mix it with salt, or you can wait and add it to the salt. But like I mixed it here because the Maggi cube is kind of hard, so it's very hard for you to break it. So that's why I mix it with the onion. Yes, I'm gonna add all this in the water. As I told you, like it's this curry, this gravy is very nice when you have, you know, meats, beef, mutton and everything. But for me, because I eat but I don't eat meat like that, so, and I'm tired of eating chicken, so that's why I'm doing it like this without nothing. But trust me, it's still yummy. I've done it more than once and it's interesting. So in Ivory Coast they call it Feuille de Manioc. Yeah, Feuille de Manioc. So yeah, so now I'm gonna cover this, and when it starts boiling, then I will add my cassava leaf. And the cassava leaf is it's hard. I don't know if it's the same in Ivory Coast, but the one I bought here, it's taking like 1 hour to get cooked, like really cooked well, because when you rush and then you eat it, it's like you can feel the leaf is still hard. So make sure whenever you're cooking it, make sure you taste it in your mouth. It has to be so soft. So I take like exactly 1 hour to finish this meal. So I'm gonna cover it. Yes, and wait for like 10 minutes before we add our cassava leaf. Okay, so it's boiling now. That's what we wanted. You might cook it in a different way, okay? But this is the easiest way. I do my own, and it has the same taste, so it's like mathematics. There's different methods, but the answer should be the same. That's what matters in the end. So this is my cassava leaf. It's frozen, and don't worry, it's gonna defrost in the water. Let's be careful. Yeah, put it inside. Ooh, very healthy. Yes. So this is gonna expand in the water, and we'll let it cook for 25 minutes. After that, I'm gonna add my palm nut oil, and then when it's almost cooked, then I'll add my peanuts batter. So yeah, that's already everything, huh? The onion was blended with the Maggi cube and everything, so that's it. I have my rice already. You guys, really healthy. So I'm covering this. for 25 minutes. Okay, you guys, I told you, right? I told you it was going to dilute. So yeah, so it's cooking, but don't think it's cooked right now. It's not cooked because I don't know, for a reason, for a particular reason, the leaf here, the leaf we get here from Africa, they're so hard. I don't know, maybe they dried it for so long, but it's very hard. So we have to let it cook for like 30 minutes. Yeah, I said 25 minutes, but you have to let it cook again. 30 minutes, 40 minutes before. We really want our food to be cooked well. No rushing. Okay, so the 25 minutes is up. 25 minutes, 30 minutes. I wasn't really counting it. Ooh la la. See how it's boiling. Yes, really wants, yes, now it's getting soft. Yes, that's what we are looking for. When it's not soft, it's not cooked. Cassava leaf is different from spinach. Spinach, like 5 minutes, it's cooked. But cassava takes time. So now we're gonna add our palm oil. I want to feel the oil in there. Even if you don't have palm oil, if you have palm, you guys wait, I'm gonna show to you. Yes. Wow, this will be adorable. So we're gonna leave this for 10 minutes and then add the peanut paste. Yeah, so I wanted to show you something. If you don't have palm oil and you have this is palm nut concentrate. You add water to this and then you separate the nuts from the water, the juice from this, and then when you cook, the oil is gonna come on top of the soup. And yeah, that's palm oil too. So let's wait this for 10 minutes and then we're gonna add our peanut paste. Guys, so 10 minutes it's over. Oh la la. This thing is gonna be so delicious. Now I'm gonna add the peanut. Yes. Just don't put too much, but enough to feel the peanut concentration in there. Yeah, that's okay. That's enough. Yeah, it's enough. It's enough. Yeah, so I'm gonna do it like this, put it inside so that the peanut, all the peanut in the spoon just, see now it's off. So now I'll show you guys inside. Yes. Now we're gonna, I'm smelling it already, it smells good. Now I'm gonna turn it, see the peanut is inside. So you want to do this, make sure the peanut blends well with our cassava leaf. This can be eaten with the cassava fufu or rice. So today we are eating it with rice. So now it started jumping. That's the part I'm scared. You see there? It jumped. Let me try to place it right. You see it's jumping now. Oh, you have to be careful. Started jumping. Okay, so you guys wait this for 10 minutes and our cassava leaf curry is ready. Hey, so this is ready. Like it's jumping around. It's really jumping on my clothes. Gotta go wash this. Gotta be careful not to stand on top of my full onion. You see this? This thing's delicious. Yeah, so it's ready. Pour the cassava leaf on your rice. Yeah, as I said, you can eat with whatever you want. Okay, whether it's meat, goat, fish, chicken, or whatever. I just like to eat it on its own, you know, because it really helps. Like I want to feel the cassava leaf, you know. So yeah, so I'm adding egg on it. Yeah, this is just optional. I'm just adding it to make it beautiful. So thanks for watching. I hope you do this at home and just let me know how it was. This is really tasty and at the same time healthy. I think you can find this leaf in your local store or African market, or yeah, just go to the store and just ask them. I don't know, cassava, I don't think they call it cassava here, because I saw cassava one day in the supermarket and the name was like Yakuza or something like that. But if you have a picture, just show it to them and they might know what you're talking about. Just tell them you want their leaf. Yeah. So thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.